Hello everyone, good afternoon. Today is Wednesday, March 4th, 2026 at 13:03. And today we have our Day 2 Outlook to look at for today. So again, I cannot do the Day 2 Outlook from the IEMBot website because you click on it, all that comes up is question marks. I have no idea why this is, but I really hope the SPC can fix this soon. So, anyway, we have to use this one. So, tomorrow's Outlook is here. I'll have to use the SPC's actual website. Anyway, tomorrow's risks. We have a slight risk that encompasses parts of northern Texas, as well as parts of central to western Oklahoma and southern Kansas. We have a marginal risk that encompasses parts of southern to central to north Texas, much of Oklahoma, much of Kansas, parts of southern to eastern Nebraska, so a lot of Nebraska actually, northwestern Missouri, and parts of western to central Iowa. So we do have those areas under a marginal risk. So let's go ahead and see who we have. So we have Wichita, Lubbock, Amarillo, Edmond, and Enid under the slight, and Oklahoma City, Kansas City, Omaha, Lincoln, and Des Moines under the marginal. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for tomorrow. Tomorrow's risk, we have a hatched 5%, so level 1, for parts of northern Texas and central Oklahoma. We have a 2%, and we have sort of a level 1, 2% for parts of northern Texas going through Oklahoma, parts of southern Texas as well, Kansas as well under that. The extreme southern part of Kansas is under the level 1, so we do have those areas and other parts of Oklahoma as well as under the level 1, 2% as well. So we do have those areas. We have Edmond, Enid, Plainview. Oh, hold up. Oh, I didn't even see the top part. So yeah, so the cities that are in for the hatched area, we have. I actually would prefer those in white. White would be much better with that dark blue. It's kind of hard to see. Oklahoma City, Lawton, Edmond, Midwest City, and more are under the level 1. We have Edmond, Enid, Plainview, Yukon, and Altus under the 5%, and Oklahoma City, Wichita, Lubbock, Amarillo, and Norman under the 2%. So yeah, definitely SPC for seeing this. The cities up in the dark blue definitely should be white, so it's easier to read. But anyway, so we could see what is this, tornado? So we could see a EF1 tops tornado possible, maybe EF2 plus possible, but not really. Definitely EF1 is on the table. So, it'll take me a while to learn this new format, but I eventually hopefully will be able to get it down. But anyway, going to the wind, we have a 15% level 1 for parts of northern Texas going in through central Oklahoma and southern Kansas. We have a 5% that encompasses parts of southern central to northern Texas, much of Oklahoma, parts of southern to central Kansas, much of Kansas actually, southeastern Nebraska, northwestern Missouri, and southwestern Iowa. So we do have those areas under a 5%. But it looks like we do have southern Kansas also under the level 1, 5% for the wind. So, again, we have Wichita, Enid, Hutchinson, Emporia, and Ponca City under the level 1. We have Wichita, Enid, Altus, Derby, and Newton under the 15%. And Oklahoma City, Kansas City, Lubbock, Amarillo, and Overland Park under the 5%. So, for the level 1 area, we could see 60 to 75 mile per hour wind gusts. I still think it's probably about the same, so I will say about that. So 60 to 75 mile per hour wind gusts are possible within the level 1 hatched area. For everybody else, it appears to be 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts are possible. So, going into the hail threat for tomorrow, we have a 15% hatched area, So we do have northern Texas, central Oklahoma, and southern Kansas under that 15%, and 5% we have extending from southern Texas, southern, central to northern Texas, much of Oklahoma, much of Kansas, much of Nebraska actually, northwestern Missouri, and southwestern to central Iowa. So we do have those areas under a 5%. We do specifically have parts of southern to central Kansas within the level 1, as well as, oh boy, reset. I did not do that. We do have North Texas, central Oklahoma, and southern Kansas under the hatched area of the hail. So that's a level 1. We also do have central Texas. I'm losing my mind here. Central Texas going into the outskirts of Oklahoma and southern Kansas, also under the level 1. So we do have those areas having hail risk as well. So again, we have Oklahoma City, Wichita, Lubbock, Amarillo, and Midland under the level 1. Wichita, Lubbock, Amarillo, Enid, and Hutchinson under the 15%. And Oklahoma City, Kansas City, Omaha, Lincoln, and Des Moines are under the 5%. So I will probably say for the level 1 area, hatched area, we could see 1 to 2 inch diameter hail possible in the 5% area. And in the 15% area, we could see 1 to 3 inch diameter hail, with the most being in the hatched area. So the surrounding area, we might see 1 to 2 inch instead. So anyway, yeah, this thing's kind of confusing, so it's going to take me some time to get used to this new format. But anyway, that basically is it for your day 2 outlook. So there is tomorrow's hail risk. Oh, I never even read the summary. So we have scattered severe storms may develop on Thursday evening and perhaps into early morning Friday from northwest Texas to southern Kansas. A few tornadoes, damaging winds, and large hail could occur. So anyway, I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe tomorrow. There's tomorrow's hail risk. There's tomorrow's wind risk. There's tomorrow's tornado risk. And there's tomorrow's day 2 outlook. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe tomorrow. Yes, even though you may be in the marginal risk, you never know what the heck these storms could do in the marginals, especially if your area happens to be in the hatched areas that were mentioned. Anyway, I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe for tomorrow, and I will be back tomorrow morning to go over this outlook again when it becomes day 1. In the meantime, stay weather aware, stay safe, and take care.